Yes guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, let me just close the window. I'm doing a POV drive. I've just been to Leeds. I've got one of my car parts which I'll be fitting today. It's a spoon and one exhaust. So I've spoke to A&M Exhausts and he said that he'll fit it for me today. So I've obviously gone down to Leeds. I've I'll be filming the exhaust video of him installing it. I've literally just come off the motorway and I thought, you know what, I found my GoPro, so I'll just film a POV video. These roads are terrible. Yeah, so I've just come off motorway and I'm literally just filming right now. Hopefully the shots come out good and hopefully there's good things to see on the way home. Yeah, I've come off motorway. I'm coming through Haslingden now. So yeah, I look ridiculous right now. I look ridiculous. I'll try to get a picture and I'll put it on the screen. What's this guy doing now? Oh bloody hell. Look, this is some of the stuff you see, man. What the hell? Just so you guys get to see it now. Get a good view of it actually. What the hell, what a guy, man. Just not even apologising. Look at him. What a donut. But yeah, these are some good roads, you know. I've never come this way. I've never got a sat nav on. Where's my phone upside down? So I'm literally just finding my way back home or to familiar roads. Obviously, I'll give it some sense on the way back because I know there's a 50-mile-per-hour road. It's like as people in Scotland say, a B road, or the Isle of Wight people say, a B road. But yeah, weather's not the best. But yeah, I've got the exhaust. I won't show it in this video. I'll show it in the installation video, which will be out a couple of days after I upload this video. So stay tuned for that one. I'm hoping it's going to make my car louder. Oh, so yeah, I know where we are. Yeah, normally I have music playing, so I'm in the zone. But today I've literally paused the music because I don't want to get copyright striked. And yeah, I'm just literally talking to the camera. Oh, this hill's terrible. I bet people are just looking at me thinking, what a guy, this guy is, what a twat. I've seen in a few people's comments that they don't send it, so I might have to send it. I don't want to open the window because it'll just be very windy. But obviously because we're doing full sends under the speed limit, we're doing it under the speed limit, guys, in the full sends. Turn left here. I've just seen myself in the rear view mirror and the hat looks ridiculous. Look at that mirror. It feels so weird driving without music, because normally I've got music on, I've got copper there. Normally I've got music on, I've got someone in past me. See, I'm on my own today, and it's so boring. Literally just with the camera on my head. But you've got to do what you've got to do, really. This is obviously my first time ever doing one of these. Never done these before. Approaching the 40 bit. Keep it at 40. On my way, I saw Undercover Copper. But that was like 2 hours ago. 2 hours. Yeah, so the exhaust obviously was in my house garage in Leeds. So I've obviously just gone straight there, grabbed it, and I've come straight back, 50 road now. You'll see how well this car handles around the corners and everything, around the bends. This is obviously adding on to the my car review video. This is a POV drive of how this car should be driven. You know what, normally this car actually spins out, but it's not really spinning out today. Everyone's going to be looking at me like, they're going to be like, what's this guy doing? Welcome to Oslo Twisting. Well, the odds would be a clear road as well, so I can send it. Back to the 50 bit. These countryside roads are very weird. They change from like 30 to 25 to 40 to 50 to 60 within like every half a mile, man. Not even that, it's just always changing. Weather's not the best, like I said. This is the worst bend ever. Normally the guy's got a nice car out there, but not today. What is it? No brake around these bends, yeah? Obviously, you tap the brake a little bit, but you're just speeding it. It's not 50, yeah? No brake. This car handles so well. So well. Don't look at my compass there before when I saw him. It's clear for me though. Another send around the bend. A lot of potholes, man, a lot of potholes. Back to a 50 zone. Oh, we're almost home now. We're almost home. But yeah, hopefully the exhaust is quite loud. If you want more of these, let me know. These do quite well on YouTube. I've seen a lot of people get views from the type off. Oh, I hope you saw that. Oh, I hope you saw that. New type off. Oh shit. I hope I got that. In a championship white as well. So that's a rare car in a rare colour. I bet it's imported from Japan or something. Back to a 60 zone. think I look like an absolute donut. The weather's ruined this video, I think. It's not the best. It's very like grey and gloomy and dull. Obviously, what can you do? What can you do? It is looking like it's getting better. But yeah, back home now, so that's been the POV drive. Like I said, if you want me to do more, let me know, and I'll do some more. But yeah, leave a like, comment on what videos you want me to do, subscribe obviously. We're almost at 100 subscribers, so I'm going to do a 100 subscriber Q&A. Let me know some questions and I'll get it done. But yeah, take it easy guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.